It's no doubt that images and videos are right now the mainstream of social networking platforms. Every other day, users share new photos and videos. If you are one of those who spend endless hours scrolling down and exploring the social media feeds, you might know that the trend of animated photos, GIFs, and videos is high on these platforms. So in today's video, we are going to see 4 best apps to animate the photos on Android. The first app is Motion Leap. Well, Motion Leap is one of the best and top-rated Android photo editing app available on the Google Play Store. Guess what? With Motion Leap, you can quickly animate still photos and turn them into something short and interesting. What's more interesting is that Motion Leap also allows users to freeze a few parts of the images, apply filters, etc. The next app is StoryZ. Well, if you have been searching for ways to create visual stories from still images, then StoryZ Photo Motion might be the best pick for you. Guess what? StoryZ Photo Motion can make your pictures move and come to life. The app is a little bit advanced, but it offers lots of exciting and useful features. To make your photos come to life, it uses programmed paths of movement, overlays, and color filters. The next app is Pixelmotion. Pixelmotion Loop is a relatively new yet popular live photo, live wallpapers, and moving background creator that you can use on your Android smartphone. Unlike all other animator apps, Pixelmotion Loop also got a video maker to create unique short videos. Its motion on image editor is capable enough to create stunning live photos in motion. The last and the best app is Zoetropic. Zoetropic offers you lots of 3D effect tools and camera FX to immerse your photos. Compared to other apps on the list, Zoetropic is extremely easy to use. To make a photo move, you just need to set the motion points, mask the areas you wish to keep still, and customize the motion points with overlays and audios. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.